Hey guys, trying to hear from How to Haven with a quick ChatGPT tutorial, and I'm just going to show you how you can save your conversations. This is just a stupid conversation I had, and in addition to what it recommends here, taking screenshots, copying, pasting, blah blah. It's important to know that it does save all your conversations on the side, and this is like the only way that you can see them. Um, so if you delete them, they're gone forever, and that really sucks. If you want to take it one step further, there's only really one other way to save your conversations, and you can go to the little three dots here and go to settings and export data, and it's going to export every conversation you've ever had with ChatGPT to your email, which can be kind of big, so it's a bit annoying. This is really your only other option, and then you can go from there. You're going to hit confirm export. And it says successfully exported. Sometimes it just doesn't work. So if you're having issues, just keep trying until it works. It might just sit there and nothing will happen. Try a different browser, whatever. But yeah, that's how you can save your conversations with ChatGPT. Thanks.